I'm back at Lowe's checking out the deals you should be going for here in the month of May. I'm going to start off in the tool section and cover some Klein Tools deals to start off with. And they have a pretty decent deal on the Klein Tools 21 piece Connect Starter Kit. This has SAE sockets that range from 1/4 inch up to 9/16 of an inch. Comes in a nice Klein Tools hard plastic case with a see-through lid. And this is everything that it includes, even the pass-through ratchet, as well as impact rated sockets. Everything's going to be impact rated on this kit. So the retail price is 42 bucks and you can pick it up for 30. So that's a good deal on that one. And they have a pretty good deal on this Klein Tools 20-in-1 impact driver set. It's a 5-inch one, impact rated obviously, and it ranges from 1/4 inch to 9/16 of an inch of their flip sockets. Then they have all the other bits stored in the handle there. I did feature this one in a previous video, but I wanted to mention again because it is a good deal at 27 bucks. It was 40 bucks. And this one I have not seen before. It's the 13-in-1 ratcheting impact rated screwdriver. It comes with these different bits between Phillips and slotted square and Torx bits. Everything stores in the handle too. And this would be pretty nice having the availability to ratchet to make loosening and fastening fasteners easy. That deal price is 22 bucks. It was 26. And they have a couple other Klein Tools options. They have the classic claw pump pliers that are the 7-inch ones. So this is like a miniature version of the Knipex version of the water pump pliers. That's only 13 bucks. That's saving 3. Then they have the extra capacity adjustable wrench. That's a 6-inch one. That's also priced at 13 bucks, saving $2. And here's something I haven't seen before. It is the Klein Tools limited edition black mod box stack system. So it's a total of 3 boxes. The deal price is at 380 bucks. So it's basically saving $100 there. It's normally $479.98. They have everything zip tied closed together, so I can't open the drawers on it. But this to me actually looks pretty sharp compared to the regular orange boxes that mod boxes come in. So on the bottom one is a pull-out drawer, and then they have the 3 drawer, and then the organizer. This to me seems to be a good deal, especially if you're comparing it to the Milwaukee pack-out system, because the bottom one by itself on the pack-out with that pull-out drawer is priced at $250, and then I think the 3 drawer of the pack-out is priced at $200 or somewhere around there. So definitely I think this is going to be a great value for the mod box system by Klein Tools, and I like that limited edition. And here is the side profile of the mod box. So it does have nice large wheels to them, so it'd be easy to maneuver over obstacles and even off terrain. So I think it's a decent deal there. And a couple other Klein Tools options. This one I have not seen before. It's the portable gas detector pen for 30 bucks, saving 5. This is what it looks like. So it's detection range of 100 to 2000 ppm. And here's the side profile of it. So I guess if you deal with a lot of gas connections, this would be handy to have. So again, 30 bucks for that. Then they have from Klein Tools the Green Mini Crossline Laser Level. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, and this is a working range of up to 50 feet. That's priced at 65 bucks, saving 15. And in case you missed my video from the other day from the Harbor Freight video that I did for the ITC deals where I announced the 50K giveaway, it's going to be that video. I'm going to be pulling the winners for the one of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So you have to go over to that video and comment on that video, and you have until May 10th to do so, and that's when I'm going to be drawing the names of the winners. And also to give you a heads up, there's been some scammers out there replying to people's comments saying that they won. I will not be doing that. I'll be posting the winners on my community posts on my channel on May 10th. So do not respond to scam comments that are made to look like my channel name. I'll certainly will not be asking for any payments or money, and I will not be saying you won any additional items either. So again, I'll be posting the winners' names on a community post on my channel on May 10th. And I will be sure to link to the video above that you need to comment on in order to be eligible to win one of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. And a Craftsman deal they are offering when you buy the battery starter kit for 99 bucks, which includes a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and the charger. Then you do get one of these select tools for free between the angle grinder, the ratchet, recip saw, the 6.5-inch circular saw, as well as the orbit sander. And it looks like the best bang for the buck is going to be on the ratchet, which is a 119 value there. So that's a decent deal there for only 99 bucks to get the 2 batteries and a tool for free. Might be worth a pickup, but just so you're aware, I think most of these tools are actually going to be brushed models versus brushless ones. We got some new deals from Craftsman to cover here, and they have a it's your choice for 99 bucks. these different options. And it's going to be the impact wrench. Looks like the new battery and charger they came out with. It's the advanced 6 amp hour one. They have the circular saw, the recip saw, and the angle grinder, which is also another new item out of the brushless RP line. So again, your choice there, 99 bucks. And they do have the new RP line of the angle grinder on the shelf here, and this is what it looks like. And they say the normal price on it is actually 149, so you're technically saving 50 bucks on that one. Whereas some of the other tools that they mention on here is up to $100 in savings. And then the next option they have from Craftsman is the brushless RP line of the drill driver and impact driver for 149, which is saving 90 bucks there. And this deal from Craftsman expires on July 15th, so you do have a lot of time to capture it. And if you're getting any value from this video so far, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and I really do appreciate that support. And they have a deal on the Craftsman Overdrive. It's a 64-piece overdrive, standard in the SAE and metric gunmetal chrome mechanic set for 70 bucks, saving 30. And this is a closer shot of what it looks like. Comes in a nice hard plastic case. Store everything in and nicely organized. And it looks like it's a VersaStack compatible case. So you can put it with your other VersaStack boxes if you happen to have that lineup. And it looks like it includes 18 pieces of the 1/4 inch, 19 of the 3/8, and 27 miscellaneous pieces of the different screw bits, Torx bits, and even some Allen wrenches as well. So it's not a bad deal, I think, for only 70 bucks, saving 30. And here's another deal on a Craftsman socket set. It's a 71 piece VersaStack standard SAE and metric tool set for 50 bucks, which is saving 30. And here's what this kit looks like. So similar to the overdrive one, just not as nice. This one has 21 pieces of the 1/4 inch drive, 21 of the 3/8, and 29 miscellaneous pieces. It also has the Allen wrenches as well, and obviously the VersaStack compatible case with it. And these are 6-point sockets that it comes with. And if you're looking to get into the Craftsman lineup, they have this 6-tool combo kit, which includes the drill driver, impact driver, a flashlight, oscillating tool, the recip saw, and a circular saw. It also includes 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and the bag for the 200 bucks. They say it's saving 130, which is a pretty good deal. And this, again, is going to be on the brush tools that they offer, but it does come with a 3-year limited warranty on them. All right, now I'll get into some DeWalt deals they're rolled out. So they have a few different options. So for 99 bucks, it's your choice of either the brushless drill driver or the impact driver. They each come with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for that 99 bucks, and they say it's saving up to 100. Then they have the oscillating multi-tool, the XR one, and that's 119, saving 140. Does come with the different blades and sanding disc with it. That's actually a pretty good deal on that oscillating tool. And then the next option for 169, you can get the 2-tool combo kit with that drill driver and impact driver with 2 amp hour batteries and the charger bag for the 169, saving 80 bucks. So obviously that's a much better deal to go with that versus these individually. And then one other option for the 99 bucks is a 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries. It's a 199 value there, so that's the one you're going to be saving 100 bucks on. And they also rolled out some BOGO deals for DeWalt tools. They have a couple different options. So, for example, you could go for the 199 battery starter kit, which includes the XR Power Stack 4 amp hour battery and charger. Get your option of a 1 free tool, or for 299, it has the 2 5 amp hour batteries and the 4 amp charger, and then you get 2 free tools. So your options of the free tools are the D-handle jigsaw, the angle grinder, the drywall screw gun, the router, the hammer drill, impact driver, impact wrench, 6.5-inch circular saw, which will be the brushless one, the cutoff saw, the random orbit sander, the oscillating tool, the recip saw, or the rotary hammer drill. So those are your options there as your free tool options. All very solid options, actually. So that's pretty decent savings there, especially at the 299 kit to get 2 free tools. Just to give you an example, with the jigsaw by itself, that one's priced at 239 bucks. So that'd be a good savings right there to get as a free tool, as well as the palm router. That's priced at $249. So to get that as a free tool is an excellent deal. Same thing goes for with the D-handle rotary hammer. That's also $249 for tool only. So good savings there from DeWalt. Whether you go with the 1 battery starter kit for $199 or $299 to get the 2 free tools. Excellent deal. And this deal you do have until July 15th as well. So you do have some time on it. And I will be sure to put some links down in the description below to these deals online. And you can either purchase it online and have it shipped directly to you, or organize it to go pick up at the store. I will get credit for the sale, but the best part is it won't cost you any more money. And I do really appreciate that support. It does help the channel. And they brought on some Kobalt deals too. So they have, it's when you buy a select tool, then you get for free a 2 amp hour battery and charger starter kit, which is a $69 value. So the tool options that you'd have to buy in order to get that is the oscillating tool, the recip saw, the radio, job site fan, the ratchet, one-handed recip saw, looks like a buffer, random orbit sander cutoff saw, the impact ratchet, impact wrench, and a 4.5-inch circular saw, or the dual bay charger. So those are your options there. Again, this deal is also going to be coming to an end on July 15th, so you do have some time on it. And just to give you some ideas on pricing on the different Kobalt tools. So the one-handed recip saw is 99 bucks. The ratchet is 139. The oscillating tool is 99 bucks. The 1/2-inch impact wrench is 119. The random orbit sander is 119. The 4.5-inch circular saw is 119. The cutoff saw is 119. The dual bay charger is priced at 79 bucks. The 6-inch random orbit polisher is priced at 149. And the job site radio with Bluetooth speaker is priced at 139. And then the job site fan is priced at 119. So all very good options to consider from Kobalt in order to get the free 2 amp hour battery starter kit. And next up is going to be some deals on some corded tools. So for example, they have the DeWalt 5-inch random orbit sander on the deal price of 79 bucks. It was 99. This is what it looks like there. It has a variable speed dial there on the handle. And the next deal is going to be on the quarter sheet sander from DeWalt. The deal price is 69 bucks. It was 89. And this is what it looks like here on display. So it has the on-off switch there on the front. Not a bad price for only 69 bucks. And they have a decent deal on the DeWalt compact jigsaw kit. That's priced at 119. It was 149. And the next corded tool deal is going to be on the 3.25-inch planer by Bosch. It's a 6.5 amp, goes up to 16,500 RPM, and has a 1/16th of an inch of the planing depth. That's priced at 129. It was 159. And another Bosch option is on the 5-inch random orbit sander. It's a 2.5 amp one. It ranges from 7,500 to 12,000 oscillatings per minute, and that's priced at 69 bucks, saving 20. And they have decent savings of 50 bucks off on the Kobalt 24 volt, 21 degree framing nailer. It shoots from 2-inch to 3.5-inch nails, and you could do 3 nails per second. The deal price is at $279, and it was $329, so it's saving 50 bucks. And they have some different deal pricing on some Craftsman nailers. So for example, they have the 16 gauge straight finish nailer priced at 149. It was 219. This one appears it might be brushed one because the other ones are marked brushless. The next one up is going to be on the 18 gauge brad nailer priced at 99 bucks. It was 159. Then they have the 3/8 T50 crown stapler bare tool only for 99 bucks. And then that's not a deal. And they have the 18 gauge 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler for 169, saving 20 bucks. And if you're looking for a palm nailer, they have this one by Craftsman. It is tool only for 79 bucks. It was 119. Something like this would be great to get into hard to reach spots. And if you have to drive in nails, especially onto like Simpson strong tie straps for decking, something like this would be very handy. I have the Milwaukee M12 version of this tool, and it's awesome. Definitely able to get into hard to reach spots, and definitely would recommend something like this if you have a lot of nails to do. And they have a couple of different deals going on from the Klein Tools backpacks. So they have this one here. It's the Tool Station Pro backpack. That's priced at 90 bucks, saving 10. And here's what it looks like loaded out with some tools on the inside. So it has different organizers on the inside, which is pretty nice. Not a bad price for 90 bucks. Here's what the side profile looks like with the tape measure clip and then the backpack straps. And then the next option they have is the rolling tool backpack. That deal price is only 129. It was 200 bucks. This is a pretty large bag. It obviously has a frame on the sides to be able to accommodate the handle that extends out so you can wheel it around. This is what the back part looks like. So the backpack straps actually tuck in to this section right here so you can keep them out of the way. And here's what the wheels look like. And then here's what the inside of the bag looks like. So it has very nice organizers so you can keep everything protected and organized. And they have it on both of the front part of the bag. So it has these organizers here. So very nice, especially for only 129. That's a good deal. And it does have 28 total pockets to it. And I know I covered this deal in a previous Lowe's video, but just wanted to remind you about the deal because it's coming to an end on May 6th. And that's when you buy the 20-volt DeWalt XR 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. When you buy this saw for the deal price of $599, then you do get for free the 8 amp hour power stack battery and fast charger, which is a $289 value you're getting for free. So you only have a few days left to capture that deal, and you have until the 6th. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video at Lowe's. If you gained any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.